Hi everybody, this is Francis Serrano, and today's another unboxing of a new watch. And this one, it was not from Watch Gang per se. This one is from the Watch Gang group, and I will be unboxing it for the first time, and you guys are going to be seeing it with me. So I know what this is, of course, because it's not a subscription. This is one of the watches I won in the auction, but I've been looking to get this watch for a while now. It was in a good, reasonable price. I bid for it, and I fought for it, and I got it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so we have the package here. As you can see, it is still closed. You know, the box got a little damaged, but I'm pretty sure that has nothing to do with it was shipped. It's coming all the way from the Bronx, New York. So this might, you know, this traveled across the country. So let's go and open this up. Let's try down here. So I'm going to be using my Cold Steel Raja 2 knife. You know what? Maybe I should open it from the top, because that's where most likely they're intending to open it. Okay, so that's open. That's that out already. Alright, so I don't know. I mean, you couldn't use a newer box in this. This looks like it's been here. It's been shipped like more times. Like, I think this is the original Ark of the Covenant. Anyway, so there, at least, well, thankfully, at least it has styrofoam packing to it. And here is the watch, and it has this air bubble to it. So at least there's that. So thank you for that. Okay, thank you for that at the very least. Let me put this away. And here's my Blacklist. I've been looking forward to this. I've been wanting to get one for a while now, and now finally got one. Wow, look at that. It's got the extra links, of course. It's got the warranty card. And there's that beautiful baby. My very first Blacklist. Let me get a better light for that. There we go. So, my very first Blacklist. It looks very beautiful. Open back, automatic watch. I just like the clean design of this, you know. Let's turn the camera around. All right, so yeah, so this is the Blacklist watch. I've been looking forward to this. There's some extra links here that came with it. First of all, Michelle Diller, thank you for the smooth transaction. I think that, you know, this, you know, the box was packaged great. I think you could have used a newer box, but that's neither here nor there. But I definitely like this watch. So I'm going to try this on before. If I need to add the extra links, they're definitely here. But let me do that. So I watch of the day. I'm wearing my Nautis Diver Chrono 500. Hopefully this fits without. It looks like I need to add the extra links to this before we can do anything. But yeah, I mean, it looks like a great watch. I've been wanting a Blacklist watch for a while now, and I finally got it. In fact, I actually ordered the new Blacklist. I mean, Blacklist was selling some cases in Amazon, and because I need to upgrade my watch case, because the one I have now is not up to par. But regardless, here's the watch. All right, guys. Until next time, my name is Francis Serrano. Happy watching.